All right, boys and girls. So today you're going to be adding rational numbers. Okay, so you have, we're going to work through two examples together, and then you'll have a writing piece and the you do before you go on to your independent practice. Okay, so first example is an I do. It says Frankie paid for 3 bags of candy to be delivered. And it says, it gives us the information on these bullets. It says each bag costs $17.95, and then Frankie paid $8.20 for delivery. What is the total amount Frankie paid? So we need to know how much he paid for each bag, how much he paid for delivery, and we need to know that he's buying 3 bags. Then, of course, we underline our question and we box in total, because total is our keyword. So total tells us to do what? Add. Yes, that is correct. Okay, so if he's buying 3 bags and each bag costs $17.95, so you are going to add $17.95 3 times, or you can multiply 17.95 by 3, but because we are adding, that's why I'm telling you we are going to add, and you might not remember what to do with the decimal when you're multiplying. Okay, so remember, when you're adding, you have to line up your decimals. So if you notice, my decimal is lined up, and so are my place values. I have my cents with my cents, my dimes with dimes, and then dollars. Okay, so 5 plus 5 is 10, plus another 5 is 15. Carry my 1. So 1 plus 9 is 10. And then you have 9 plus 9. So 9 plus 9 is 18. And 18 plus 10 is 28. Carry my 2. Put my 8, carry my 2. Bring down my decimal. So I have 2 plus 7 is 9. Plus 7 is 16. And then plus another 7. So 16 plus 7 is 23. Carry my 2. And so 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. So for the candy alone, he paid $53.85. But are we done? No. Okay. Remember, it says he paid for delivery, and for delivery he paid $8.20. So that means you have to add the $8.20 delivery fee to the total of the bags of candy. So you're going to go ahead and add that. Okay. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 2 is 10. Place your 0, carry your 1. Then 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 8. 12 is correct. Okay. So 1 plus 5, 6. And of course, bring down your decimal. So he paid $62.05 for the 3 bags of candy and the delivery fee. Okay. So now we have our we do example. If I'm moving on too fast, you can pause the video and then finish off the I do. Okay. So the we do example says Count Dracula wants to buy a new outfit for his yearly Halloween night scare. How much would Count Dracula pay for 2 shirts? I'm going to change this color to 2 shirts, 2 capes, and 1 pair of shoes. Okay, so he's buying 2 shirts. So how much do the shirts cost? The shirt price is right here. Shirts cost $29.75, and he's buying 2. So you're adding that. Then he's buying 2 capes, and the cape price is right here, and each cape is $13.99. So you're going to do $13.99 plus $13.99. Okay. So go ahead and find these 2 out. Okay. And then he's buying 1 pair of shoes. How much do the pairs of shoes cost? The pairs of shoes cost $35.95. Okay. So when you add these 2 together, oh, you can hardly see the green. Let me change it to. You add $29.75 and $13.99. Like when you do each of those 2 problems, sorry, $29.75 plus $29.75, you get your answer, and then you do 1399 plus 1399, you're going to get your answer. You're going to add those two together. And then whatever you get there, you're going to add to the 3595. And that's going to be your final answer. Okay? So you're going to add the 2975 plus 2975, and you get your answer in the blue box. Then you're going to add 1399 plus 1399. Then you're going to get your answer in your purple box. You're going to add those two answers, the purple answer and the blue answer, and you're going to get a green answer. That's why I have a green box here. Your answer in your green box, you are then going to take and add to the 3595, and that will be your final answer. Okay? So I'm going to do the purple box so you can kind of see what you're supposed to be doing. So 9 plus 9, 18, carry your 1. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 9 is 19. 1 plus 3 is 3, plus 3. Sorry, 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 3 is 7. And then 1 plus 1. So you would take this price from the purple box and put it into the purple box down here. So now you're going to do the add 2975 plus 2975 and put that response in the blue box, and then add them to get the response for the green box. Okay? So finish that off. When you're done with that, you're going to explain in complete sentences, in 2 or 3 sentences, the steps that you took to find the total price of Count Dracula's outfit. So essentially, you're explaining the we do in sentences here. Okay? So go ahead, pause your video, complete that. Then you will complete the you do. The you do is completely independent. Okay? So think about it here. It says the wheels each cost $10.73. How many wheels does a skateboard have? Because it's talking about a skateboard. That's right. It has 4 skateboards, 4 wheels. So that would be 4 times. Okay? But that's not all you're doing. You need to read the problem. Okay? I'm helping you with that. All right. So finish off the you do and then go ahead and start on your independent practice.